Hello guys, how is everyone doing? I hope everyone is having an amazing day. Let's go ahead and tell the Lord thank you for letting us see another day. So I am so proud of my reform I made. I made this reform out of products from the Dollar Tree. And I used repurposed ribbons from Bath and Body Works. They had some little bags. I picked those bags up for my candles and just used the ribbons to decorate my reform. So I used two upside down candy cane forms to make the J and the Y. I cut this one for the Y in half and used the other piece to make the other part of the Y. Used the long piece to make the long piece. Used the curl part to make the short piece. And then on the middle reform, I just cut it down a little bit and made it smaller. I used the Garland from Dollar Tree to wrap them, and all of this cost $6, $8 to make all items from the Dollar Tree, and I'm so proud of it because I love it. And it's gonna go on my front porch and coming into my house. I love this wreath. If you would like a tutorial, leave it in the comment section and I will make a tutorial. Thank you all, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And everybody have a blessed morning, night, noon, evening, whatever this may be when you see this video. I hope you have a blessed one. Again, hit the subscribe button and become part of my family. And until next time, guys, everybody be blessed.